Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. So hubby brought home some awesome steaks, and these steaks are elk steaks. His boss gave him these awesome steaks for us to try. We've never tried elk, so we're really excited to go ahead and give this a try. So I looked up a few recipes on how to cook elk, and I think I found one that would suit us best. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and we'll do a taste test for you at the end to tell you what we think of it. So let's get started with cooking up some elk. All right, friends, so we're gonna go for a really basic seasoning for our elk. We're gonna do some kosher salt and some black pepper. That's it. I have my cast iron skillet out. We'll put some butter down in the cast iron skillet, get it going, make sure it's nice and hot, and we're gonna go ahead and sear our steaks on the cast iron skillet. And we're gonna do about 4 minutes per side. And that will give us a nice medium rare steak, which that is definitely the way we like our steaks, medium rare. So let's get started with seasoning up our steaks while we're letting our cast iron skillet get nice and hot. I'm gonna go ahead and get some of the salt on here, some black pepper. Go ahead and give it a flip and we'll get the other side. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some butter down into our cast iron skillet here. Nice and hot, that's exactly what we want. Get that butter to melt. And I'm gonna go down with my first steak. We're gonna do one steak at a time. And I'm gonna set my timer for 4 minutes. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off and we're gonna let it rest for at least 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna completely clean my pan and start over with the next one. All right, friends, so my steaks are now all done. I'm gonna go ahead and let them all completely rest while I finish up the rest of dinner. And then we are gonna go ahead and cut into these and see how they look and taste. All right, friends, so we went ahead and let it rest. And just to recap, the meat was cooked at 130 to 140 degrees. That is a safe temperature to consume elk. So make sure that you are checking your temperature of your meat before you pull it off of the grill or your cast iron skillet to make sure it's completely cooked before you put it away. So now let's go ahead and cut into this elk and see how it looks. All right, look at how good this looks. We're gonna go ahead and give it a try and see how it tastes. Tastes just like steak. Not gamey. It's really good. This is really good. Thank you, Travis. All right, friends, thanks for hanging out with me in the kitchen today. I hope you enjoyed this video of us trying elk for the first time, as well as a really simple recipe to cook it if you do want to do it yourself. So until next time, friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.